Sitaram, and a warm welcome to our Yagna this evening, first night, very first night of our Yag. The welcome speech is coming after. She's busy planning Jandi, but the program have to go on. So what we're going to have now, we're going to have members of the Samantha dance group, Sita Devi dance group that is rather, who are going to render a beautiful devotional dance for us this evening. So we welcome, put your hands together, please, welcome the Sita Devi dance group.
धारी है शेर तेरी सवारी है पाक जंगल को जो जला दे तू ऐसी
Right, so we will continue our program. We have now Anita, and she will bring greetings to you, and she will let you know what is happening from there.
Reverend Vyas, Pandit Keshava Gosain, Pandit Neil Maharaj, all other Pandits present, Kirtan groups, our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste all Sitaram. Sitaram, a pleasant good night to all. As I stand before you, it gives me great honor to extend a most cordial welcome to each and every one of you. A warm welcome to all the children who are here. Children, thank you for bringing your parents. Tonight commences the first 5 nights of worship dedicated to the Divine Mother. For those of you who would have had the opportunity to listen to our dynamic and learned Vyas, Pandit Keshava Gosain, whether in person or over the airwaves, will agree with me in saying this, that his delivery of the message is always an engaging and effective one. And for those of you who haven't, well, I am certain that in a few minutes you will be sharing the same sentiments. It is our esteemed honor and privilege to have you officiate in this our first Devi Bhagwat. As we join together in giving thanks and seeking the blessings of the Divine Mother, it is my prayer that this Devi Bhagwat affords us all the opportunity to grow spiritually. I trust that the message today and the subsequent 4 nights will uplift, inspire, and strengthen you. May your burdens be lifted. May we feel comforted, and as Mother reveals her plans and purposes in our lives, may we be inspired and encouraged to become better individuals in our homes and society. Before I hand you over to our Vyas, I leave with you the words of the boon granted by the Devi as stated in the Devi Mahatmam. Whenever in calamities you think of me, that very moment I will put an end to all your worst calamities. I invite you to sit back and enjoy tonight's proceedings as Pandit educates and enlightens us on the glories and teachings of the Divine Mother. We look forward to your company for the following nights. Jai Sitaram.
Sitaram, everybody. Somebody didn't hear me. Sitaram, everybody. Jai Vishnu. Let's all stand. Let's begin with Arti, and then we'll get further into our discourse tonight. Ladies, please remember to cover your hair. For every person that have a cell phone, please switch it off. Just for a little bit. And as we clasp our hands, prepare your temple in your chest, in your mind. Mother, we are ready to receive you. We are ready to do your worship, Ma. It was a long day. For each person, I'm sure everybody has a schedule. But Ma, by your grace, we're here tonight. Thank you for that. Help me to learn something tonight, Ma. I'll enjoy the drumming. I'll enjoy the singing. I'll have a wonderful time. I hear Avi Mami could make good parsad. God will enjoy that part too. But help me to learn something. We've come to this temple in this village because we need to teach people about their mother a little more. And Ma, as you are ready for your children, may you allow them to learn. Ajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam Deepam grihana devesham Trailokya Timirapaham. Tonight we sing a quick arti. We want to get into our discourse and time is running away. Together, help me sing tonight. Those of you looking on TV, Sankhya TV, help us sing from your home. Tonight as we welcome Mother, sing from your heart. This is your lady. This is your Ma. And sing Sunu Meri Devi. Ma, hear my prayer. Mother, listen to my prayer. O Sunu Meri Devi, Parvatavasini, Tera Paran Paya, tera paran paya. Everybody, help me sing tonight. O suno meri devi parvat vasini tera paran paya, tera paran paya. Everybody. सुआ चोर तेरे अंग विराजे,
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 केसर तिलक लगाया,
केसर तिलक
Everyone.
लगाया।
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी,
तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल।
ले तेरे बेट जगाया,
तेरे बेट
ओ सालो,
आया,
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी
पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया, तेरा पार न पाया।
ब्रह्मा बेर बने तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा वेद बने तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा बेर बने तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा वेद बने तेरे द्वारे।
शंकर ध्यान लगाया,
कर ध्यान लगाया।
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया,
तेरा पार न पाया।
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य.
कलियुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य।
If you could sing tonight. If you could pray for her tonight. If God gave you hands, clap tonight. Don't waste this opportunity. So many people are robbed the opportunity to welcome their mother. Sometimes they wait until they're warded in the hospital. Sometimes they're waiting for the hearse to come, and then they're calling on her. Mother, you are the one who is in charge. Hear me pray tonight. Today things are going good, ma. Today we are doing arti, ma. We are walking, ma. We are feeling good, mother. May you sing tonight and clap for her. Close your eye. Don't study the person next to you. Those of you at home, forget every problem you have and take it to mother. Tonight we pray with one heart, with one voice, with love. Ma, listen to my prayer. O suno meri devi parvat vasini tera paar na paya.
तेरा पार न पाया।
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य.
त्रेता मध्य।
सतयुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य. कलियुग राज समाया.
युगराज समाया।
Everybody. सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया.
तेरा पार न पाया।
ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया. तेरा पार न पाया. तेरा पार न पाया. तेरा पार न पाया. With your hands clasped, think of God. Put your mind to God as we do opening mantras. Ganesh Baba, by your grace, we're here, Prabhu. We were planning, we were cleaning, we were fixing for so long. But Ganesh Baba, you allowed it to happen. Today we were cooking and dressing and we were happy, God. Look at the wonderful weather, Prabhu. Ganesh Baba, tonight we bow to you, Prabhu, for allowing us the ability to walk with Mother whilst that wonderful Tassa was playing. And we walked this journey to this temple as our feet stretched, as our brows were filled with perspiration. We were burning our karmas away. Thank you. Together, everybody, with one voice, easy mantra. Om Gajananam
भूतगणादिसेवितम्
Kapeta Jumbo
फलचारभक्षितम्
Umasutam Sho
कविनाशकारकम्
Namami Vigneshwara
पारपङ्कजम्
Om Sarvamangalamangale
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
Sharanye
त्र्यम्बिके गौरी
Narayani
नमोऽस्तुते
Om Gurur Brahma
गुरुर्विष्णु
Gurur Devo
महेश्वरा
Gurur Sakshat
परं ब्रह्मा
Tasmai
श्री गुरुवे नमः
Principal Mahapati Mahadeva Ki Jai. Devotees, please have your seat. Again, cordial welcome everybody. Jai Sitaram. Tonight, I get a job. Tonight, I have to start to read about Devi. Do you know about Devi Durga? To you, sitting here tonight, do you know who Durga is? Sometimes you go to prayer, Prem Sabala Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ki. You hear that word, Adi Shakti, all the Shakti. That's what that means. We praise you in that form. Tonight it is the temple's wish that we could not only share our knowledge, our satsang and our sit down together, not only with the members of the temple who come here regularly, but also for people who've never been here before. This may be your first time. Nonetheless, the objective is very simple tonight. Have you ever heard someone say, Navratri? Today in my gallery, a Christian person came, and the boy is so trained. He says, Babs, he lives next door. Babs, someone on WhatsApp, that's a messenger thing on the phone, someone on WhatsApp sent me a message, Happy Navratri. But I didn't know what it means. Do you know how many Hindu people don't know what that means? So for the children here who don't know, Navratri or Navratam, let's begin there. Now meaning 9, Ratam or Ratri meaning night. 9 nights of something. We don't know what. But happy 9 nights, that is what that says. Happy Navratam. I have Navratri Puja. But then I went further one day and I asked somebody, what is Navratri? What does it really symbolize? Is it representative of something? And someone said that it is 9 nights of worship to Durga. Have you heard this? Does Woodland know this? This village know this? But then somebody in a different place said it was 3 nights Durga, 3 nights Lakshmi, 3 nights Saraswati. All ever hear that? All right. So it is caused a little discussion when it's time come to do the Kanyakumari Puja. Because when we are doing Kanyakumari Puja now, associated with the Navratam, and I promise in the course of this jug to explain that to the fullest extent, what it is, why we do it, etc. There's no tree Lakshmi, there's no tree Saraswati. So it confuses me, Baba. What is this thing about? What is this Navratam? Tonight in our discourse, we're going to learn what is Navratam. We're going to learn about how we created this form called Durga. Basic kata, easy. I'm sure people hear this already. And in doing so, one verse will answer the question about this three-night Lakshmi, three-night Saraswati, three-night Durga. Tonight, at a minimum, you're going to walk away with that. In the other nights, if a person here today has a question, for example, Babs, how do you do a Durga Devi Dar? What are we supposed to offer? How do we hold the lota when we are offering a Devi Dar? Write your question on a piece of paper and give it to Avi, give it to Baba, give it to Uncle Robin, and I'll address it here for the benefit of everybody. You know why? Many times we as Pandits come on the Singhasan, the Vyasasana, and from here we expound a wonderful story, a wonderful katha. But the katha sometimes doesn't answer your question. And what is the sense we are doing so much Durga Puja? Check every house. Somebody offering a dar, somebody lighting a diya, somebody is doing puja. And as a people, we still are doing sometimes wrong. At a minimum, my example is how to offer a Devi Dar. What do we put into the dar? What do we call this thing called Pakadar? What is that? So in the course of this yagna, whoever have question, please write it down. We'll deal with it, pertaining to Devi worship and Devi prayers, etc. Tonight, before we enter into our discourse, we must ask permission. We must read Sumaran. Please clasp your hands, close your eyes. This is prayer. It sounds like a song, but it is praise. All you have to do is where you are, say your prayers, and ask Ganesh Baba to bless you and allow me to learn something as my ears are penetrated by the katha of Devi. Allow it to benefit me, God. All shooters, please put your hands to your chest. Be an example. Show people how to pray. Show people what is correct posture, what is correct behavior. Gauri Shankar Gira Guru Govinda Ganapati Gang. Drummer, let's go. Sumire Vyasa Bhasha Karta Devi Katha Prasang Gauri Shambhu Gira Guru Govinda Ganapati Gang. Sumire Vyasa Bhasha Kara Devi Katha Prasang Jasu Deha Mati Mati Vishaya Sthiti To Jag Jagama Mati Na Lekat Jehi Rupa Ko Mati Prerak Dhyan सकल निगम उत सनमानी क्रीले का जगवान मातु भवानी के चरना नमो नमा सुखकान करुणा चंद शीर धया करो अनुपूष अरूपाश मंद हस्य युक्त भक्त के कथा सभा दुख त्रास श्री शंकराचार्य आर्य गुरु माता पिता शिरनाया देवी भ्रांत के भाषा लिखत बनाय गौरी शंभु गिरा गुरु गोविंद गणपति गंग सुमिरे व्यास भाष करता देवी कथा प्रसंग सुमिरे व्यास भाष करता देवी कथा प्रसंग। प्रेम से बोलो श्री आदि शक्ति माता की जय। As we enter into discourse, there was once a person by the name of Mahisha who always wanted to become great. He wanted to be a powerful person. He wanted to reach far in this life. And what he did, just like you and I, Babs would have a mantra I could use to achieve what my goals are. Guruji, could you give me a mantra that when I repeat it, I'm going to be able to realize what I'm praying for? Takes the mantra. Poor Guru gives him the prayer, gives him the instructions. And he says to him, I guess something that all pundits say to people. Please be careful of what you are praying for. Please be mindful of your mood when you are praying. And people take that for granted. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And some people feel it's okay to say Om Shibaba, Om Shibaba. Mispronounce the mantra, no problem. Some people like to learn mantras, and when they get angry, they like to go and say those mantras, meaning to say, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Lord Shiva. You see my brother? Lord Shiva, mash him up. Lord Shiva, he opposing me today. He want me go out with this guy. Mash him up. And in many other examples, people use a negative mode to use mantras. Mantras that were meant for good. Prayers that were created to uplift a person spiritually. To upward movement, not downward. Mahisha now, he uses the mantra, but he thinks, I have gotten a gift that is so powerful. My Guru says, be careful what I'm going to ask for. My blessings. I was going to ask for a little bit of power. I was going to ask for a small position. But if God is really going to come, couldn't I ask for a bigger position? Couldn't I ask for more money? Couldn't I ask for more favor? And he starts a climb. Starts a climb in terms of the things that he wants. Starts to think about things that he did not set out to think about. Things that he did not really want at the beginning. But when, as the narrator is speaking to Raja Janmejai, Vyas is speaking to Raja Janmejai. He's a grandson of Arjun from the Pandavas. And he is the person listening to this conversation is between Vyas and Raja Janmejai. And Janmejai says, so how come he went to pray, but he started to think on the negative side? He says that is the internal mode of a person. A person, any person, you or I, could be corrupted. And if you don't ask for the permission to pray, or the guidance from God to pray, then in your own prayer, a person can destroy or damage themselves by doing it wrong, thinking bad, not following the rules. And all you are going to do, charge yourself with energy from the prayer to do bad. And it will eventually lead to your downfall, such as Ravan. This guy had everything. He learnt the mantras, but he didn't change his ways. So he took the mantras and he did the job and he acquired power. But now when it is time to do, what is he going to do? Instead of good and upward type activity, things that will bring blessing, he goes behind another man's wife. And it caused, that corruption caused the downfall of that popular character. Raja Janvijay is asking, so why is this guy going bad? Because he did not endeavor into his prayers with right motive. He is filled with greed. He is filled with lust. He wants power to be able to rule over other kings and seize their wives, seize their daughters. He wants to be able to damage other people with force, brute force, take what is their possession. And with this in mind, O king, he went to pray. O Janvijay, do you know the day Mahisasur dies? Mahisasur meaning the demon called Mahisa. Do you know the day he died? The day he went to pray. Think about this, eh? The day he went to pray with a negative mindset. The day he went to talk to God with bad intentions for other people. The day he started like that, that was the day his end was written. Principal Vindravan Biharilala ki Jai. Let's enter. As time had passed, and he did all the tapasya, all the dhyan, and when he speaks to Brahma, what does he say? Let me be immortal. Dear Lord, dear Father, I have been praying, I have been praying, I have been praying. Please let me be immortal. This is what I want. And so long as I have the life and the health, I'll be able to overcome any battle. I'll be able to have all the wives I want. I'll be able to plunder. I'll be able to achieve my goals. He says, I need time, and so long as I am immortal, I'll be able to do it. Brahma looks to him and he says, no. Whatever is born has to die in this physical world. That is not possible. He says, then, I wish to be immune to the weapons of Vishnu. I wish to be immune to the weapons of Shiva. I wish to be immune to the weapons of Brahma, and likewise immune from all the various devatas. Let it be that the rays of Surya cannot burn not one strand of hair on my body, much less to damage me or to take my life. And Brahma, without a second thought, he says, let it be so. Principal of Vindravan Biharilala ki Jai. You see, his thinking is, he couldn't get Brahma to agree off the bat that he wants to be invincible. But if Lord Vishnu, if Shiva Baba, if Brahm, if Indra, all the devatas cannot harm you, if Yamraj cannot harm you, how does Yamraj harm you? He sends rheumatism, he sends fever, he sends cancer, he sends heart, different ailments, sickness, disease to hold you and bring you down and slowly take you. But Yamraj now is powerless. So he thinks to himself, you know what? Ah boy, if there's nobody to touch me, how are they going to kill me? Because at that time, there is no female warrior. Parvati Mata does not have one weapon in her hand. When you go home, you watch your pictures. Lakshmi Mata doesn't have one sword. And likewise, Saraswati Mata did not have one weapon. At that time, all the heroes were male. All the fighters were male. So what he says, make me vulnerable to a female. Let me die at the hands of a female, O Brahma. Let that person, that heroine, take my life. Prem se bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. But his thought was, there's no heroine. Who's going to destroy me? And he started to gather forces, and one by one, when he got the blessing from Brahma, he started to take what wasn't his, he started to take, and many people started to suffer as he damaged them. Let's enter as the devatas now, They cannot function. Nobody is getting to do Havan. Mahisasura is interfering with everybody. All the good people that are trying to do prayers and Havan, they have been interrupted and stopped, killed. Genocide. If you are praying, you are going to be put to death. And when all the Havan stop, the Devatas start to get weak, and they now go to engage him. Great battle takes place. Let's hear what happens when Indra himself is beaten. What he comes back to discuss with the other Devatas. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah. Together everybody. Namastasye,
Namastasye, Namastasye,
Namo Namah.
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Bhogo Devo Guru Yatam Vedharakaye Karvyatam Yadhasyana Sarvagyanosmi Saptamudra Karatam Yate.
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Namastasye, Namastasye,
Namastasye, Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Devano Dhanaveyatam Mahisho Nam Mahidaityati Mahaye Nam Yadhokamya Yena Yandi Buddhiye Darshanayate.
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita. Namastasye,
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 Namo Namah.
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Indra comes and he says, "Oh Devatas, how powerful our enemy is. Mahisasura is so powerful. None of us can beat him. Oh Shukracharya, you have truly given to him powerful prayers. Because of the blessings of Brahma today, he's invincible. Oh Brihaspati, oh planet Jupiter, Brihaspati in the Hindu Dharma, please guide us. Guide us. We are going to be destroyed. Our armies are being overrun. He is so powerful. It is as if all our weapons are bouncing off his skin. His armies move with a different vibration, a different vibrance glows around him. What to do? Brihaspati says, when in doubt, go to the Guru. I am the Guru for the Devatas. Mahadev Baba is the Guru for the world. Let's go by him. They journey and they go to Kailash. Let's see what happens when they go there. Together everybody. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu
Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Namastasye, Namastasye,
Namastasye, Namo Namah. Ya Devi
Together everybody.
Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita.
Dakshaham sarva evam tam kallaye sam sarvayeta शंकर पूरंद कृत विष्णु ये चालम फलना ये परम ये आती
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण
Together everybody, let's clap. Namastasya, namastasya, namastasya,
नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
He says, when they go, Brahma bows to Mahadev Baba, and Lord Shiva seeing the tears, he sees the blood upon the Devatas, he gets up and he holds on to Brahma. What is the trouble? Oh Devatas, what is the cause of all this heartache, pain, pressure? What is this? Why are you, oh Devatas of all the lokal, of the different directions, north, south, why is your head bent so low? And Indra says, Prabhu, today we've come to you for guidance. We are proud heroes. Many devatas today were put to the test and we failed. We weren't able to overcome this demon called Mahisa. Mahisasur is invincible God. And he says, oh Brahma, listening to them, listen to their cries. He says, you, oh Brahma, have to be more careful. Careful with what? Let's join together. Let's sing together as Lord Shiva speaks to Brahma, as he admonishes him for what he did. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu
शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Namastasya, Namastasya, Namastasya,
नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Brahma Hansa Hansa Rupo Vishnu Guru Ye Vyahan Shankaro Vrishvaye Vayu Vrishvaye Gajaye Sitam
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Namastasya, Namastasya,
नमस्ते नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
वाहने ये सयातम सोदस मात्र ये मातृका शक्ति ते मोर ये मुद्र ये विष्णु वैकुंठ पटे
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण
संस्थिता Together everybody, Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki. He says, Brahma, look at them. Look at all the devatas. You need to be careful when you are giving people Vardhan. When you, O Brahma, give without examining the quality, the character, the sincerity of the person praying, careful, O Brahma, you are making monsters. For this reason, Prem se bolo Shri Vishnu Bhagwan ki jai. For this reason, sometimes when you and I pray, it seems as if we are going through a test. A simple example. It will happen to many people now. You ever tried to fast? You ever make up in your mind? You see, this year, I'm going to fast for Navratri. You see, this year, I'm going to fast for Shivratri. And the morning comes. You have your puja in your home. And you're trying to fast without salt. You're trying to keep your mind pure. You're trying to go easy just to get through with your prayers. And that is the day everything is going to test you. Every person coming to ask you a question, and for some unknown reason inside of you, you get so irritated. anger, sometimes words you didn't want to say start to spew from you. That is where you call tests. That is the day the children will get extra homework. The car might give trouble. Let me see if you can reach in my prayers. Different things. Different things God put for each person. And I'm sure you could lecture to me about it in your family life. Sickness, finance, all kind of thing. That is the day the heater will stick on the sari. Where I go where now? Practical experience. But then the person who wants to taste the parsad, the person who wants to sip that panchamrit, are going to wear something else. I'm going to go. I'm going to do my prayers regardless. I may not be 100%, but I'm going to do my prayers. The person perseveres because I know what I want. And this is what Lord Shiva is saying to Brahma. Screen the people. Not everybody come, give them something. Not everybody ready for it. Because of how they pray, Brahma. Look at the destruction your blessing is causing today. He says, but I don't have the answer. Because of your blessing, my hands are tied. I am helpless. And I cannot give any advice that is going to bring the destruction of this person. He says, however, let us go to Vaikuntha. Let us go where Lord Vishnu is. And we will tell him of our problems. And he, that merciful Lord of Kripa or mercy, he will show us a way. He will find a way. And we are going to be able to overcome this impediment. Prem se bolo Mahapati Mahadeva ki jai. And Mahadev Baba started to lead as a parent, walking in front. And all the devatas, beaten, humble, quiet, followed parent now. Now they're glad somebody could lead them. Let's join together. Mahadev Baba reaches to the doors of Lord Vishnu's house. He says, Jan Vijay. He sends a message, the Dwarpalo, the doorkeeper. He says, Vijay, Jai, go inside and tell my Lord I am here. I am here to speak to him. I am here to get advice from him. We are in trouble. They go inside and let's hear what happens. When the message is sent, Mahadev Baba is at the door. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Come on everybody, let's sing together. Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam. Deva Deva Maharaja Raka Kanda Surarengha Samayataka Samakyatak Ye Sarve Dware Dwarpalo Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Together everybody. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jai Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam. Brahma Rudra se ye Varuna Pancha ye Tattva ye Yamuna Yamdev Shanti Vedasya Parma Parma Darshan ye Nadhinau. Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam. Mahadev Baba, his hair was dripping the Ganga. And while the devatas were walking towards Vaikuntha, it is said, O Janmijay, just as Brahma, Rudra, Indra, Varun, again, and all the different devatas were walking, they were purifying themselves of all the pride, all the abhiman, all the different things that they thought they were. The waters that were washing the roadway as they walked to that holy place where prayer, where God was, they started to purify themselves. And they were asking how cruel an awakening this is, that I thought I had a big crown on my head. I thought I had a great position. But look how helpless I am. Today I have to go and beg for help. Today I am nobody. Today I am nothing. Will Lord Vishnu help me? Will he hear me? Will he make time for me? Such a sinful person as am I, that I did not realize my weakness. I did not realize how small I was. Dear Lord, may he hear me. May he see me. And Lord Shiva is talking to Lord Vishnu. Oh friend, oh Lord, oh Master, I am coming and I am going to take the water from my hair and I am going to wash your holy feet. Today we have difficulty. Today we have a trouble. May you help us, dear Lord. And it is said that when the feet were walking with the weight of Lord Shiva, it started to rock. That ocean of milk where Sheshnag lay, they started to shake Lord Vishnu. And Lord Vishnu knew that Mahadev Baba, his friend, his favorite devotee, was coming. And he wanted to meet with him. And when Jay and Vijay come in and say, Prabhu, they are all here. All the devatas, all the different Digpal, all the Tattva, everybody is here, dear Lord. They have come to see you. Lord Vishnu gets up without a delay and he goes to meet them. Everybody, let's hear what he says when he meets them face to face. And they start to tell him all their trouble. Let's hear what happens. Jai Bole Baba Tab Sharna. Let's all clap, come on. Jai Bole Baba Tab Sharna. Jai Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharna. चित्र ये कथा ये जाता विष्णु चतुर्भुज ये रूप ब्रह्मा रूप महिमा कर्या ये पर्वत ये सत्यम जय भोले बाबा तब चरना जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणा महिषान ये महाराजे तम पिंडा ये पाप ये कर्म ये आसन ये दृष्टि बढ़ा ये चित पापी नो जय भोले बाबा तब शरणा जय भोले बाबा तब शरणम together everybody at home जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम जय सांब सदा शिव जय सांब सदा शिव तब शरणम प्रेम से बोलो महापति महादेव की. He says, oh friend, oh Shishya, oh God child, why are you looking so confused? Why are you looking so hurt? Oh Rudra, you are the holder of Ganga. You hold her weight. What weight is upon your heart, friend? What wickedness causes you to lose your smile? And Indra says, Prabhu, those haughty, prideful, wicked, nasty Danav, the demon, they are coming for what is ours. They are coming to take our thrones, our livelihood, our homes. People who are innocent in this war. Prayerful people, people engaged in yagna, they are hiding in terror, wandering from mountain to cave, cave to mountain, because they are praying, they are being persecuted, God. Today we want help. O Kanha, O Krishna, help us today. Deliver us from this scourge. Give us the power. We need a female to fight. We need someone to go and destroy Mahisasur. He says, "Oh Vishnu, you are the only one who is going to appoint that lady who is fitting." He says we have Uma, Parvati Mata, Lakshmi, consort of Lord Vishnu, Sachi, consort of Indra, Vidya or Saraswati, consort of Brahma. Prabhu, appoint one, and that will be our heroine. She will be the one to fight him. Prem se bolo Umapati Mahadeva ki jai. This is where they pose the question to him. Please listen. Please remember what he's about to say. Let's join together in just this one verse. And he's going to do a lot of clarification for us tonight. Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah. Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah. Nechi Chintaye Brahmatam Yata Sarvadeviyetam Karna Lakshmi Kuru Kuru Yena Devanang Bhaktaye Vatsala. Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah. Narayanaya Krishnaya Paramatmaya Namo Namah. Prem se bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. He says, Devtas, what are you asking? I understand that you need a female, but look at your mother, Lakshmi. She is as tender as a lotus flower. If she goes to fight, she will be overrun. Just as the lotus flower, the petals fall off. Likewise, Lakshmi is no fighter. She does not know the art of war, Devtas. Likewise, Saraswati, she is too gentle. Her fingers are soft and are the means of stringing the sitar, the veena, the instruments, turning the pages of the holy books. But she cannot wield the sword, the mace, or any of these weapons. How can I send them? How can I send Sachi, who is royalty? She sits beside Indra, but she has never ventured into battle. Principal Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. He says, Parvati Mata, she is the true Gana of Lord Shiva. She will serve him, but she was never taught the art of war. How can we put our wives in this position? These ladies would not last very long on that battlefield. They would be overrun. They would be overwhelmed. For this reason, O Devtas, another solution must be arrived. It must come. Principal Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. All the Devtas sit down and with their weapons falling off their back, their shawl off their shoulder, their crown on the ground, they close their eyes and they start to talk to the energy of the universe. And what do they say? Dear Lord, my problem is so big that even Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu, even these three are stumped by my problem. May you, O Mother, see it fit to shine your grace upon your children tonight. And whilst they were praying, something started to happen from the body of Lord Vishnu. From his body, whilst he had his eyes closed, a energy, a diya, a little spark, Shuksham Sharir, the form of the diya flame, a little light emerged from this area. O Rajan, Vyasji says to Janmejai, that light came out very cool, very calm, very stable, and it stood in front of him. And where Mahadev Baba was, here comes another light. From Brahma, from Kubir, from all the devatas, one by one, the energy started to come out of their body. Let's hear what happens. Jai Gananaya Shri Gananaya Ganapati Baba Modiya Jai Gananaya Shri Gananaya Ganapati Baba
Moriya, Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya.
Jai Gananaya Shri Gananaya
Ganapati Baba Moriya, Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya.
Ashtarye Sadaityānām Devānām Vishwaye Pradhan Thora Rupa Giriye Prakta Toma Ye Tamo Bunyate. Together everybody.
Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya.
It is said from Surya, from Yam, from Kubir, from all the devatas, light started to come out of their body. From all of them, this energy started to come together as if it were fireflies. Oh Janmejai, the light started to flow together. It started to move together and it started to take shape. Just as we make jigsaw puzzle, they started to add together and a frame of a female started to form. The devatas opened their eyes, oh Janmejai, and this massive towering form of light is in front of them. You can tell it is a female from the gait of her body. A very handsome form is about to form, but all we are seeing is like a burning flame standing. On the face of Lord Vishnu, there's a broad smile. And Lakshmi Devi, she stands and she addresses this light. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Baba Moriya.
Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Baba Moriya. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya.
Ashtadasha Bhuja Devi, Sahasra Bhujaye Manda, Samya Bhuta Ye Sahasra Ye Shai Tejas Tejas Ye.
Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Baba Moriya.
says, "Oh light, oh Shakti, oh mother of this universe." When we say Shakti, sometimes people doesn't understand. But in this world, where the atoms come together to form our bodies, to form the blocks, to form the steel, to form everything at the subatomic level, there's something that pulls two atoms together. For every science child today listening to TV and here in the Yagishala, in our Dharma, the energy, the covalent bonds that pull two atoms together, that is what we call Shakti. The glue that holds this world together, that is what we call Shakti. If this world were a wall of concrete blocks, Shakti is the mortar between each block, holding us together. She is that energy. In science, we talk about energy cannot be destroyed, but manipulated, changed from light to sound. When the boy is hitting the drum with the power from his hand, somehow that will cause sound to come from that drum. And this is from the blessing of Mother. This is how she works. Without you seeing her, without knowing it, I'm going to hear drums. We see lightning in the sky. We see light, but we are going to hear thunder just after. That is Shakti working. Lakshmi Mata says, "Mother, you are the one who caused all these things. You are there at the subatomic level in my body. You are what makes tissue. You are the thing that makes the organ. You make my heart beat. You make the blood flow. You let my eyes dilate when it is bright light. Mother, you let my pores raise when I call your name. Mother, today you have taken form in front of us. Mother, please take a form that we can see you, recognize you, adore you, Mother. But today, help your children. Devi Shanti Ma, and help your children, Ma. Take a form that will be pleasing to your children." And Lakshmi Ma calls out to this ball of light, this figure of light, and he begs her, she begs her, "Please, let us see you, Mother, for the first time from the unmanifested form, what we cannot see. Take a manifest form where we can see you and adore you." And from the energy that flowed from Lakshmi, for the first thing they saw was the beautiful eyes of Durga. Dark, very dark, kajal under the eye, beautiful eyebrows. But these dark eyes were looking at her children very intently to help them. And all the different features of her body started to come together. Let's hear what happens. Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Bappa Moria,
Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Bappa Moria,
Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Ehi Bhutam cha sarvesham tejasviva prithvim katham ye sadakya chaiva tasmam sarvam tejasyam yaha. Together everybody.
Gananaya, Ganapati Bappa Moria, Jai Gananaya,
Shri Gananaya,
Ganapati Bappa Moria, Jai Gananaya, Shri Gananaya, Ganapati Bappa
Moria. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki. When this happened, imagine somebody is dropping a curtain slowly, and you're getting to see the forehead, the eyes, the nose coming down, and features started to shine through. Her hair was open and long, black hair, fibrous hair, thick hair. Her arms, her chest, stomach, legs, feet, toes, everything now standing in front of the devatas, larger than human size. O Janbijay, when she manifested that first time, she had 18 hands. In this 18-hand form, she is standing there stark naked. When Mother took that first form, it did not look like the Durga we know sitting on the lion. This is before that. O Janbijay, in this 18-handed form, She is the same one that has 1,000 hands in the unmanifested form, in her true form, in the energy form, in her most powerful form. Today, that energy took a female form. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Janvi Jai wants to know, how is it she got that beautiful face? How did she get that physique that we know mother to be? And Vyas Muni says, one by one, each of the devatas had prayed, and they saw their mother in their own way. And from Sandhya, the Devi that we light the diya for, at the twilight in the morning, the lunchtime and in the night, Sandhya Devi, mother got eyebrows. I'm just giving a couple, it's a long description. Her ears came because of the prayer of Vayu. From Kubir, her nose. And like this, all the different features of mother were created. And she exhibited all the physical signs upon the body of goodness, of blessedness, and not of sin. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. What is Baba talking about? Pitru Paksh only finished recently. And whilst reading Garud Puran, you will hear the person explain why. Have you ever heard the explanation why we have bald-headed people in this world? Why we have people born without the ability to see? In a nutshell. God, the line says God made everybody in his image, in her image. But then God, did you forget the children that were born without parents? There are some people starving in this world. There are some people cannot hear, speak, see in this world. There are some people cannot have children in this world. What about those people? And in Garud Puran he says, that happens when you have negative karma. When you do bad in your last life and you're born back in this life, you're going to reap the reward of what you did. And when a person has the benefit of getting the human form, upon that body, you're going to have signs to indicate to you, not to watch anybody else and laugh. Oh, that is why you're bald head. No, Pandit Keshava didn't say this for that. The purpose of it is to say, you know what? Maybe I should pray just a little bit and ask God to forgive me. For example, if a person loves to drink alcohol, oh boy, Babs, I love to drink my liquor. I cannot do without that liquor, Baba. Well, boy, in your next life, what you go born with? You go born with all kind of twist teeth. Your teeth go there like so. And they go be yellow, discolored, damaged. You know, for the person asking, why is my teeth like this? Because of your previous sin. When a person steals gold, you look at that person when they're born back and you'll see very damaged nails. Infected, fungus-ridden nails. Nails are steady falling off, breaking off. The nails become weak, tender, cause a lot of pain for a person. That is the sign of a person who stole gold. And likewise, that chapter went on to describe every flaw you could think about. Everything that plagues your and my body is written there, explaining why. Because of karma. But when making mother, there is no past sin. Her body is perfect. From her legs to her stomach, every feature of her body is given in detailed description as to who prayed for that part. And then they had their mother standing in front of them. Oh, Janvi Jai, all of them were waiting to hear what she would say. What is our mother going to say first? What is she going to do? And they all started to think like this, and I saw that my mother has come to hug me. My mother has come to reward me. She has come to help me. Let's hear what happens when the first utterance comes from her lips. Everybody, let's sing together as time is running away. We don't have much time. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasya Namastasya
नमस्ते नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Malaye Sadayatam Malakhandadvayatam Brahmana Rupakshye Tvaiva Vaijanti Charvarunatam.
या देवी
Together, everybody.
सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Oh.
नमस्ते 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
Mother was standing and mother opened her mouth, and from that mouth came one bellow of a laugh. She started to laugh at them. Oh, you haughty sinners! Why are you calling me today? What are you calling me for? Why are you bothering me? And Brahma gets up and he begs, Mother, we are in a predicament. We are in a quandary. We are in trouble. Man, we tried every avenue and nobody could help us. Man, today we are left helpless, defenseless. Help your children. All your children are calling on you collectively. And she continues to laugh. Didn't you have power? Aren't you the creator of everything? Don't you wield the power to give power? If you had asked me for your guidance when you were given that power, if you had thought of me when you were given that gift, your mind would have been guided. But you thought to yourself, oh Brahma, Devtas, you thought that you were so powerful. Today, look at you. Look at your power. Where's your strength? Where's your Shakti now? What can you do without me? Who are you without me? You did not realize me before. You did not know I was with you before. I am sitting inside of you. I am sitting inside of your weapons. And still, oh you foolish ones, you did not recognize me. What are you bothering me now for? What do you want? And mother started to throw her hands up in the air in a very angry way. And she laughed at them and she scolded them. And all of them felt very abashed and very shamed. They did not have the energy to lift their eyes to face her now. The only person who came to his senses was Brahma. And when the Devi Suktam was chanted, we hear this chant over and over again, but we don't know where it came from. Brahma sat down in the middle, mother's in front, and she is swayed, and she is waiting for somebody to talk to her. She is loose. The energy within her body, she cannot stay one place. Her body is rocking, and when she rocks, Vishnu Lok, Vaikunt is rocking with her. Sheshnag is very uncomfortable. He's becoming tilted because of her movement. They have to shanti her before she brings more destruction. Brahma sits down very calm. He knows the secret. What does he do? He closes his eyes. He doesn't take on what's going on in front of him. That will distract him. Oh, John Vijay. And he sees mother in his mind. This is where I'll find you, mother. And here you will smile with me, ma. And he starts to pray to her. And when he started to chant the Devi Suktam, all the Devtas started to arrange one by one. gifts started to come. What was the prayer? Let's sing it together. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namasasye Namasasye. This is the Devi Suktam. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupena Samsita Namasasye Namasasye. In all your forms, Mara, you are Shakti. Ma, you are Shanti. Ma, you are Daya. Daya means compassion. Mara, you are Vishnu, mighty Shabdita. You are the energy of Lord Vishnu. Without you, Lord Vishnu is like a lifeless puppet. He cannot do anything. When he comes as Krishna, when he comes as Ram, you have to support him to have that Leela. Without you, Shiv Baba cannot lift that trident. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Mara, you are. And what is he doing? Devi Suktam started to calm her. It started to shanti her. When you go to prayers and you see your child or somebody is being shaken with Shakti, the correct way, the initial way to shanti her is to say this prayer with devotion. Calm down and don't be distracted by what you are seeing, but you pray to her, and that true energy, that true divinity will take what you are offering from that mana spray in your heart, in your mind. When you are talking to her, Mother, you are the one, you are the form that we worship. Mother, may you hear my prayer tonight and Brahma in a very calm way. No matter how Mother rocked, no matter how Mother moved, he did not jib. Varun Devta comes and he puts around her neck a lotus flower mala. That flower was never going to fade. Vishwakarma gave her all forms of ornaments for her arms, for her fingers, for her toes. Himalaya came and he gave her gems and a beautiful lion. One by one, they all come to Shanti Kare their mother. Lord Vishnu makes a copy of this Sudarshan Chakra and he puts it on her hand. Mahadev Baba takes the Trishul and he makes a copy and he puts it in her hand. Varun Devta makes a copy of his Sank and he puts one in her hand and he says, Mother, whenever your Sank is bellowed, those people with unrighteous behavior, unrighteous tendencies, bad intention, they are going to back. They're going to have to move, Mother, by your energy, by that name of Satangi. You are going to push away those people. Mother, may you always blow your Sank. May you always purify a place when you are entering. Together, everybody. Devtas are in a line. Everybody's in a line, and one by one, they are giving their mother a gift. Mother, please accept this. Mother, calm down. Mother, calm down. Shanti, Ma. Mother, you are Shanti. You are peace, Ma. Ma, please accept what we have to offer. And they are begging. They are masawing her feet. They are rubbing her feet. They are washing her feet with milk and drinking that liquid from that thali. Indra goes. Let's hear what happens when he goes in front of her. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu. Everybody. Namasasye, Namasasye. Tvaya Dvijaye Tvayatam Vrajyatam Dvijaye Ati Devar Devendraye Tamoye Na Varunaye Dhan Ye Atao Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu. Everybody. Namasasye, Namasasye. Madhusudanaye Bhushan Yadya Drishti Vishwayatam Krishnaye Suradevi Trishulavani Jivani Ye Aditam. Together, everybody. Namasasye, gives her the bread. Yum gives her the whip. And different daughters started to give her, and the last gift she got a bowl with milk. And the daughters that gave her that, the matrika, mother, please drink something. Lakshmi Mata, Saraswati Mata, these Devis say, mother, may you drink something. Mother, you are thirsty, ma. You are Shivani, you are Vaishwani, you are Trishula Dharani. Mother, you are so many names. Mother, may you please accept our offering? And she started to drink. And when she started to drink with that milk, Surya Narayana Swami had given her that red sari that we know. And that sari had beautiful gems on it. It was heavy. And when she accepted the offering from them, they started to give her fruits. What type of fruits? Devotees, they started to give her fruits with seed. They started to give her the fruit juice. They started to give her milk. And they started to call her Bhagwati Devi. And from the heart, they offered whatever gift they had. They took up the thalis, they took up the lotus, and from their heart, mother, with the sentiment of love, mother, may you please accept it. Mother, may you please take it, ma. And one by one, all the drishti, all the different forms, they start to feed her. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu. Namastasye, namastasye.
Namaste, namo namah.
Devi Sarva Bhuteshu. Namastasye, namastasye.
Namaste, namo namah. Devi
Kalyanam Guru Ye Bhona Papa Bhakshna Ye Trushdharani Ye Jahi Papi Ye Hridayam Tejasvi Mahimaya Te Namo Namah. When she put down the bowl with the milk, she says, what it is you want? Children, tell me. Today I accept all your gifts. I accept your mind-born prayer, your heart sentiment. Today as your mother, I am Rudrani, the terrible. I have come here with all my energy, with all my Shakti. I am Indrani. I am going to protect you, O children. What is the problem? And they say, mother, be kind to us. Mother, someone is oppressing us. Mother, Mahisasur is upon the earth and only a female could destroy him. Mother, may you destroy him. Mother, may you remove that scourge from the face of Prithvi Ma. Let's hear what she says. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samhita Namastasye Namastasye Prithvim Yam Siddhitam Prithvi Gyata Prithvi Yecha Anta Siddhyam Yam Yati Yena Vani Ye Tera Yatam. Together everybody. Namastasye, namastasye. Namo Namah. Namastasye, namastasye. She says, I am going to go to the earth and my Shakti will reign all over that earth. And wherever sickness, distress, sufferation, wherever it is, in whichever nook and cranny of Prithvi, I am going to burn it away, O children. Whenever you call upon me, whenever you call upon me with that sincerity, with that earnest, with that sattvic mind, with that sincerity, I am going to answer your prayer.
don't mind, I come slowly. I am coming. I am listening. And I am here today. Oh, children, rest your head on my lap and take refuge. Your mother is here, and I'm going to give you all the assistance you want. Today, you have learned the lesson of humility. Today, you have learned the power of my form. Today, you have learned who I am. Oh, Deutas, may you remain here as I descend upon you. It is time for Mahisasur to meet his end. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Namastasye Namastasye प्रेम से बोलो श्री आदि शक्ति माता की जय. You could imagine the joy that these devatas had. You know, when you have trouble sometimes, devotees, you go by one doctor, you go by the next doctor, you're going by the doctor, and you're looking and waiting for the answer. One day, one doctor will help me. Depending on your trouble, you go by one lawyer, you're going by the next lawyer, you're going by the mediator. Somebody is going to help me one day. And when these devatas, like you and I, when these goodly and godly people tried everything, Mother came without some big entrance, without puff, magic she appeared. From the goodness inside a person, Devi came and manifested. And when she got up, after accepting all that they had offered, she started to move. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Vyasji speaks to Janmejai and he says, blessed is the person that listens to this discourse, that mother will come when that person needs them most. That there are people who are crying in their homes. There are people that will go through different types of demons in their life. But when you call upon her as Brahma did, and you call on her in her different roles, in her different names, she is going to help you. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. He says Janmejai, and he will say it in a later chapter. He says, Mother, when you are doing her worship, this is why we offer from the heart. We offer from this area. Hindu brothers and sisters, when we are offering Devi Dar, we offer from the heart area. We hold the lota here and we offer it. Don't be confused with Surya Narayana Swami Dar. Surya Narayana Swami, we offer it from above the head or to the head region. So as it is pouring, when the sun passes through that milk or water, it must penetrate your body and burn away sickness. But Devi wants the love from your heart. And with that sentiment, Mother, may you accept it. Parasad equivalent. He says, Janmejai, for this reason, when people are offering, fruits are offered. What type of fruits? Those type of fruits that have seed. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. On another night, not in this chapter, we're going to hear how to make the dar. I was reading recently for the Ganesh, and many people don't know that you can offer Ganesh Baba koa. But in the text, he says jackfruit, koa. And likewise, there are many types of fruit that can be offered, that are supposed to be offered. And we miss that part. Because when we are making the pakadar, there is no prasad. There's nothing as bhojan or prasad offering in that lota. And this is why we must discuss these things so children at least could learn, adults as well. But he says the fruits that you're offering must have seed. So be careful with the grapes, careful with the apple. Better things like monkey apple, sugar apple, guava, putigal, orange, etc. All these things are acceptable. Prem se bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. This is where we'll pause tonight, devotees. Tomorrow night we will continue with the discourse of Mother. And as we conclude, did you hear the part where Lord Vishnu says Lakshmi Mata and Devi Saraswati Mata are too soft for this war that is coming? Devotees, listen tonight. Let's join together as we make this offering, everybody. Please clasp your hands. Everybody that's all stand. Baba is saying stand. Let's clasp your hands to your chest. Ladies, please cover your hair. And together we're going to join. Om Purnamida Purnamidam Purnata Purna Mudakshate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purmadeva Vashishyate Om Purnatighum Shantihi Swaha. Prem se bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. You can all have your seat whilst they continue to do puja. For those of you who've ever heard of Devi Puja, right, have your seat, have your seat, have your seat. And you could pass your water and all those things around. We've heard Devi Puja. But when we say 3 nights, Lakshmi 3 nights, Saraswati 3 nights, Durga, maybe that is from a time. Because many things change from India to Trinidad. To simplify things. Maybe that is from a time when we didn't know about Kali Mata. But for the devotee of Mother, when we say 3 nights, Lakshmi 3 nights, Saraswati 3 nights, Durga, where are you putting Kali Mata, brother? Remember what I said tonight. I'll leave you with that. We'll deal with that another night. They were too soft. We needed violent, strong, vibrant people to fight. Ferocious fighters, that is what we needed. And Mother is now created. Mother is now formed. Mother is now ready. So when you go home, devotees, and you look at that Durga Pitye, take a second look at all the jewel on her body. From her toe, go straight up to her mang part on top. And understand what you are looking at is the fruit of all the devatas praying. Mother took that form because that is what they wanted her to look like. Mother takes different forms when we pray to, you know. Mother comes in the form of a child to save a marriage. Mother comes in the form of a wife to save a boy, and vice versa. Mother comes in the form of a mother, biological mother, to hold back children from going off track. That same lady who is the mortar between the bricks of this world takes so many forms, but sometimes, devotees, we could be blind like Indra and all of the rest, that we don't see the religious, sattvic, powerful nature of the ladies in our life, the dog that protects us in the yard, the employer that gives us the money we so need, the mother that gives us the miracles sometimes. When you listen to the words of our children today, how do they know these things? Who taught them these things? You go and you look for a girl who now had a baby, and you ask her, if she went to UTT, Costat, UE, which one? Where did you go to get the training that when you hear a baby cry, quack, you know that cry is for milk? No, the child wants to sleep. I would like to know where that class is being held. In our Dharma, Mother gives these things. Sometimes we take it so for granted that the girl who cannot feed her child from her chest, only when the milk is not there, Only then now she runs to God and say, help me make milk, please. But when everything is flowing and everything is nice, that time we forget mother. Tonight, as I conclude, devotees, tonight we know how mother, in that Adi Shakti form, in that Durga form, what it took to make her, the energy that was surrounding them when they made her. And when she took that damru and she started to spin it in her hand, the thunder it created, the demons on the earth, they started to get frightened. She is surrounded with vibrant people. She is surrounded by vibrant prayer. That is the energy she uses and utilizes. And for the remainder of this yagna, this is what we are going to focus on. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. Devotees, time has run away. Tomorrow night we'll be starting on time, don't worry. And we'll have enough time to do all and sing and do everything. Tonight I thank you for your listenership. But now let's all stand as we bring the curtain down on this evening's satsang. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. Tonight I'm joined with Uncle Robin, Uncle Mohan, and Videsh on the drum. Auntie Yvonne was singing wonderfully at the beginning. Thank you all for your contribution and your support. Today we have a birthday, Shanti Rambali. And Shanti is celebrating her birthday, and this arti is for you. Everybody please clasp your hands. As we do short arti, think about mother as we understand her a bit more and more and more. Ajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam deepam grihana devesham Trailokya Timirapaham. Together, everybody with one voice. O suno meri devi parvatavasini tera paran paya tera paran paya. Suno meri devi parvatavasini पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया ध्यान भगत में तेरी गुण गावे ध्यान भगत में तेरी गुण गावे मन वांछित फल पाया ओ सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ करुणा सागर माँ काली कपालिनी माँ जगदोदायिनी माँ जय काली जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ Together everybody as you clasp your hands. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again, Jai Jai Ma. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again, Jai Jai Ma. Ma, by your grace, dear lady, tonight I sing for you. Ma, I just tell myself I cannot sing. Mother, I is ashamed to open my voice unless I'm in the bathroom. But Mother, I sing for you tonight. Mother, I listen to your discourse and I feel you. Mother, I thought I could have seen you in my head. Mother, thank you for this opportunity. Mother, bless those people that invited me. Mother, bless those people that are preparing for puja, preparing for the food, the prasad. Mother, bless them. Today I get to sing for you. Ma, may you hear my prayer and bless me, Mother. Bless me to walk closer. Today I walk on the road to reach to your house. Bless me in my mind, in my heart, in my life to walk closer and closer to find you. Together, everybody, as we say final prayer. Tvameva Mata,
Chapita Tvameva,
Tvameva Bandhuscha,
Sakha Tvameva,
Tvameva Vidya,
Dravina Tvameva,
Tvameva Sarva.
Mama Deva Deva,
Tvameva Sarva.
Mama Deva Deva.
Together, everybody. Om Shanti. Lift your voice.
Shanti,
Shanti. Hari Om. Together, Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. One more time. Hari Om Tat Sat. Lift your hand together, everybody. Umapati Mahadeva ki, Pawana Putra Hanuman ki, Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki, Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. Jai Jai Sita. Jai Jai Sita, everybody.